Uh-oh. Shoes on feet, it's time to play. My puppy's ready, hip hooray. Outside fun is on the way. I walk my puppy every day. Clip the leash, gentle and slow. Safety first before we go. Holding tight in a careful way. I walk my puppy every day. Step by step we walk in line. Slow and safe, everything's fine. Side by side in a happy way. I walk my puppy every day.
Come on, puppy, let's walk.
Sniff, sniff, sniff,
boy.
What do you see?
Flowers, trees, and bees go boom.
We explore and gently stay.
I walk my puppy every day.
Stop, look, wait, cars go by. Green means walk, red means stop. Staying safe is the right way.
I walk my puppy every day.
Back home now, the walk was fun. Happy puppy, happy one. I smile wide and softly say,
I walk my puppy every day.